Hello, this is Frankie Tafiro, also known as Frankie Tafiro at gmail.com. I plan to do a Pokemon Stadium 2 rentals only walkthrough of Gym Leader Castle and probably the stadium. But for now, I'm going to answer a question I've always wondered. Which are better, the legendary birds, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres, or the legendary beasts/dogs, Entei, Raikou, and Suicune? I'll be controlling the legendary beasts in this battle. The rules are anything goes, only legendaries are allowed. Also, no items. Anyway, now that all the Pokemon are chosen, the usual free battle intro. And now we just gotta choose our team. Raikou will start against Moltres. By the way, I'm going overall, not in the one-on-one standards. If I did that, the match would take way too long. Spark, that's only going to need 2 hits, and it's a Paralyze. Well, Fire Blast brings Raikou halfway out, and one more Spark. That will finish off Moltres. So the legendary beast/dogs have the lead. It's Articuno second. A Spark against it. That's going to need 3 hits. Blizzard is a miss. In this game, it's a 70% chance of hitting. While in the first 3 games, Pokemon Red, Yellow, and Blue, it was a 90% chance. Another Spark gets a Paralyze on Articuno, which pays off right away, and Raikou's going to be taking out 2 of the birds. So right now it looks like the birds are going to lose. And right now Raikou is easily outspeeding them. In the normal play, things could change, especially in round 2. But I digress. Spark against Zapdos. This doesn't do as much because it's part electric. Does get a Paralyze. Gets a critical hit. That will take out Raikou. Although the legendary dogs/beasts are well in the lead. Suicune out next. Unfortunately, its ice move is missed. If it was a Roar Beam, that would make this fight a lot easier, so it's gotta stick with Bubble Beam. Unfortunately, I do not have Pokemon Red, Yellow, Blue, or Gold, Silver, or Crystal. Anyway, a critical hit against Zapdos brings it into the red. Critical hit Thunder also brings Suicune into the red. However, this fight is pretty much over because if Thunder misses, Suicune can take it out, but that's not the case as Suicune is taken out by another Thunder. So it's all up to Entei, who has it. All it needs to do is get 1 hit from Fire Blast. Arc Smash would just take way too long and that would risk losing. Fire Blast is a hit. So, in my opinion here, the legendary dogs are clearly better than the legendary birds. Anyway, this is Frankie Tafuro, also known as frankietafuro@gmail.com, signing off, and I will see you later. Farewell.